Okay guys, so I just got this food intolerance test in the mail. So I have to cut 10 strands of hair close to the leg on the neck. I'm trying to count 10 pieces of hair. 1, 2, 3. I'm trying to do it like as close to my head as I can because I just got a haircut. I don't want to mess it up. Ah! Okay, that's literally 27 pieces of hair. Am I okay? Now I'm stuffing my hair in an itty bitty pouch where there's definitely about 40 million strands of hair that I ripped off my head just now. The hair has been located in the envelope. Maybe I could have taken it from there or maybe below my head. No, right on top. Right on top. All right, here we go. Okay, I got my results back. I am average, but I have 33 intolerance, so let's see what they are. All right, so these are kind of random to me, like almond milk, Prosecco, tuna. I eat tuna all the time. White wine, cherries. Like, it's kind of random, and I'm really interested to learn like more about why these are there. But I am not intolerant to a lot, so we're chilling. I'll let you know if I notice any changes taking these out.